ki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Wat hadien baka Shillong Lajong Football Club kala sa palim no haga Northeast United Football Club haga jingela ka semifinal jong ka Shispa Lai Phulai Indian Oil Duran Cup Arjap Sao u coach jong ka Shillong Lajong ula ai Khublei Kyrpang ki Paidbah nong Kershan ki Belawan ban ai ka Jingkershan bapura habai karan bikila patai khubor u Jose Carlos ulaong badai na ka Jingkershan barat ba jong ki Paidbah baka Shillong Lajong kan sapoi sa ka semifinal bat ulapan pau baka jingela ka mentasi kalong ka bae Nakaliang coach jong Northeast United Uji Pedro bin Ali ulapan pau da ka Jinkman baka kanhon jong kala jam sa final banya khun ha ka laipu iterik menta upanai ha Kolkata.
Thanks to everyone who came, who was supporting us from the first minute of this Duran Cup, and because of them we could reach also the semi-final, and I'm very grateful with all of them. Because they deserve the best. This support is unbelievable, and we will try again. During the A-League. And sadly, the match of today we knew was going to be a tough match. They got a very good squad as well. And sadly, the attempts we had in the first half, we couldn't end the action properly. But I think, and it's. I think from the point of view as a coach and being objective, the first 10 minutes we played, I think to score at least one goal. Obviously, when you are or when the team is 2 goals down, it's very complicated to keep the intensity, and they knew how to cancel us. But we tried till the end, and I only can say that all of us, we are very proud the performance of the players, and we are very proud of what we did in this tournament. It's a milestone, and hopefully we can carry on with the same successful performances the rest of the year. I think if we carry on with the same we did in all matches, also today during when the score was draw 0-0, we were in an equal level of performance. I think the second goal was a big problem for us, and psychologically they went down too much, and that's why I think in the second half we couldn't perform as I thought. However, if we carry on with the same performance level we played, not only today, also against Bengal and against the second half against FC Goa and the 2 previous matches, I expect the best for all of them. I expect the best in England. I only saw that in the first goal. The first goal was a mismatch, 100%. The swap of the players of Northeast in that moment was covered by us. There was a lack of communication, and that's why the guy who received the ball and crossed the ball was alone. However, I don't think there was a coordination problem today. It was they had 3 chances in the first half, they scored 2. And when you are 2 goals down, it's complicated to change the situation. But I think the team, till the second goal, the performance of the team was very good. Obviously, in the second half, with 2 goals down, it's very complicated to change. We had a lot of these passes in the second half, and that's why we couldn't perform as we did in the previous match against Bengal. But I don't think it was a coordination problem. I think so, from my point of view. We have to improve a lot the movement of the ball when we're attacking. I think it's for us is one of the main targets. We've got to sort it out as soon as possible. The movement of the ball, too much missed passes again today. So I think when the team can sort out that point, the performance will be even better than the matches we played so far. If we had performed better with the ball in the moment the team was attacking, I'm completely convinced the score was other than these 2 seriously. Remember the midfielders of Bengal. Our players were the same. The tiny players who play today, and I guess in Bengal we could beat them So it wasn't a matter of the size of the players. It was a matter of the missed passes we had in the midfield. When we got the ball down, it's not a problem. But today, sadly, the performance with the ball wasn't as we expected. Ceylon, because I love Ceylon. When Lyon FC called me again, I didn't doubt. I was here in 2019, 2020, even with the COVID. I was here 3 months isolated at home alone, and even with that moment so terrible for all over the world, the memories I had from Ceylon were amazing. That's why I'm here again. I love Ceylon. I love the people from Meghalaya. I love what you feel about football, and I think we can do an amazing season all together.
When you go match again,
I thought it was offside. For me, it was offside. But once the ref says a goal, nothing to say.
Do you think the lack of do you think the lack of technology in this case hurt you, or
You know, even with the technology, the mistakes are on the field all the time. So I'm not going to complain.
would you be pro something like that? Would you be pro VAR in an Indian setup in Indian football?
Obviously can help. Obviously can help. But when the match is over, it's not a serious thing to complain about the ref. We had to score the goals. We had to score that attempt. We had to have the problem we had in the first goal. So let the referees alone to enjoy the life and let us to carry on with our plan. No, nothing to say about the referees. I don't like. So far we did beautiful. The first 30 minutes, I think we deserve at least one goal. At least one goal. But as I told you before, the second goal was a kick in our stomach. And after that goal, it's complicated to change the mentality of them, because when the opponent is in an equal level, it's easier. But when you see this strong squad in front of you and trying to change and to score minimum 2 goals, it's complicated for the players. And also the big effort they did so far. And we have to be present, we have to be reminded that we are still in the preseason. We were working only 20 days together. So with 20 days together, we could reach the semi-final of Durand Cup, playing against 2 great teams of ISL, beating them in the quarterfinal and being in the same level, equal level, till the second goal. So what we have to do is to carry on with our plan. Every player who can come to get better the team is welcome. So we are expecting, management of the team is working on it, and hopefully we can strengthen this amazing squad. Don't forget that again today, 7 players from Meghalaya were on the field. So it's a milestone, not only to reach the semi-final, only to have those guys playing against the Northeast United team, ISL team, and against East Bengal, the big one. 7 players from Meghalaya, also the players who came in the second half from Meghalaya, from the youth academy of Ceylon Lyon. So it's to be very, very proud, and obviously all teams want to strengthen everything. So if new players come, welcome to them, and hopefully we can be on the top during the league, and hopefully they can carry on doing the same during the I-League, because with them it's possible to reach the top level. We can reach the heaven with the support of the supporters. So please come again and again and again and again and support us.
The match gone exactly how we think it will be. Playing against a very nice team, very fast, with quality players. You know, watched them many times and we knew that they would make it difficult for us. But our experience and the players were very, very good. We knew what we were playing, and we did our job. And thanks, the fans today was amazing. You know, this is the football we want to see in India. This is the crowd. Congratulations, okay, to Shillong team and to Shillong people, to Meghalaya people also. Thank you very much for the hospitality. It was fantastic, great. Thank you. Oh, for us, it was not a derby. It was not these 2 brothers, you know. There were, I think, many fans today as I said yesterday, they were hard divided in two. When we attack, they're happy. When they attack, they're happy. It was a nice day, great. Don't forget something that first of pre-season, we try to give time to every player. Second, Guillermo was sick the last 3 days. He was very weak, and we didn't want to gamble with him. We knew that we have a great striker to have. Anyone who plays will do the job, and this is what happened. Toy was doing very, very well the last 2 games. I think he deserved to play today. And I think all the players are working very, very hard since we started. Everybody deserves, even the players who stayed in Guwahati, they deserve to play today. I really don't know. In this moment, I don't think about the final. We're just enjoying the day, and tomorrow morning we start thinking about the final. I think the team defensively was doing very good with all the 3 goalkeepers. We only received in 5 games one goal against us. We scored 16 goals, and that's important, and that's the work for all the team, from the attacker to the goalkeeper, and attack from the goalkeeper to the striker. It was important for us that all the goalkeepers played, everybody, all the players to have minutes to start ISL as best as we can. When a team is solid defensively, it's not only the defense, it's everybody's working hard, pressing, coming together, helping each other. That's important. Many times I read comments and say, "Oh, the defense is not good." It's not the defense. It's everyone is doing the job. It's like an attack. If the defenders are not good with the ball and they're not giving options to the players in the middle and the front, we cannot attack. It's everybody. Every game is tough. This is what happened always when you underestimate the opponent. Anyone can surprise you. We played against very good teams. Even Odisha, the reserve team was very strong. Shaduh was very strong. India was very strong. For Bodoland team, fantastic team. We played against good teams, and you can see India Army beat Jamshedpur, Shaduh with East Bengal. There is no small team when you're playing. It's 11v11, and with all the respect, it's a very good team. And we're in the final thanks to the 5 games, not only to this game. If we didn't win the other games, we couldn't arrive to the semi-final. It's, I've been professional coach in elite since 1998. Someone they were not born, maybe, I played in front of a lot of crowd. It's the contrary. It makes me happy. It makes us work more. It's, as I said yesterday, the crowd is fantastic. It's the safest. We're the clowns. They are the shouting, and more they shout, better we are. Better we do. And I said, the problem sometimes when you play at home and you have a lot of crowd, if you're not doing well, the pressure's on you. For us, it's fantastic. We hope we can, all the games we go anywhere, it will be like this. Great game, great crowd, and we hope to come to Shaduh to play again. When you start winning, it's important. You put under pressure, and we know that Shaduh is a team who likes to play counter-attack, wins the ball, runs forward very much. Then if we score first, they will open totally, and that's what happened.
Do you want to play ISL in this stadium?
Oh yes, we want to play in any stadium in Northeast area.
Especially whatever.
Fantastic. Here and also in Bodoland, Khublei was great. Thank you for hospitality both cities. It was great. We hope to play here. We're really pushing hard to play ISL here also. Before the game, you prepare in your head, you prepare in your papers and the training things. But this is the beauty of football. A lot of things happen. And sometimes you prepare 1, 2, 3, and when the game starts, it's 4, 5, 6, and you need to change during the game the plan, the way that maybe you thought I can change this player and put another player, or we play this way, and during the game you need to change it because it's the other team. Some players get tired. The situation of the game changes. A lot of things. This is the beauty of football. A lot of things happen in the game. We love to play in front of the crowd. You know, football players, football is done for crowd. You know, it's not done for social media. It's not done for TV. You know, as I said, we are clowns. We are in the circus. Here the circus is empty. Who will we make laugh? We don't know who's laughing. When we are there, everybody's shouting, everybody's insulting you, everybody's saying things to you. It makes you run more, it makes you wants to play. Players, I think, many players didn't sleep, waiting for the game. Even the warm-up supposed to start at, I think, 4:40, I think, or something like this. Everybody was ready at 4:25. Come on, everybody was excited. You know, when they see the crowd, you're more excited. As I said, sometimes is the contrary. It works the contrary than what you expect. But today works from our side. Happy.
I don't really care. Both of good teams, both of big teams. I don't care. This is why I say tomorrow we'll think about it. Today, happy, nice dinner, great shower, relax. Tomorrow we'll think about the final. Okay? Both teams are very strong teams. We know them very well, they know us very well. It will be a great final.
Difficult match for us. I would contact all players for the fighting history. And the important thing, all the players for the focus for great result. We must continue like this. Important thing, too much clean sheets. Coach I pay dinner. The important thing. Difficult for play match final. You have all players training hard, every day hard, training morning, evening, no give coach rest. I am very happy play in the final. Any team come for play final. All players are ready for play final.
For myself, I think Rung Cup is the best place to get competition, to prepare yourself for ISL. You know, friendly game doesn't give competition. Friendly game doesn't prepare the player mentally, doesn't put him in stress. Even if you come to see our training, we try to put stress on the players, that when the game comes, it's easy. You know, I think the Rung Cup is fantastic. But this is football, as I say, it's not a law. Each coach thinks differently, you know, we say, if there's 150 million people watching football today, they have 150 million coaches. Each one feels different. As I said, clean sheet, I pay dinner to the players. Now I own them 2 dinners. And I say thank you very much. They could score like 1 goal, but happy to do.